So you felt it in some way or another today. The air quality isn't exactly great, and it's worse for people with breathing or other health issues. Now, you'd think that poor air quality would just hurt your lungs, but as Ursula Perry tells us, one study shows us how air quality can affect your brain, too.
From boosting your mood and improving focus and concentration to lowering the risk of dementia and increasing longevity, the benefits of exercise on the brain are bountiful.
The longer a treadmill, the lower your mortality is.
But what can things like this and this do to those gains? Researchers at the University of Arizona and University of Southern California looked at records of more than 8,500 people. They looked at exercise habits, brain scans, and pollution levels where they live. They found those who vigorously worked out in areas with little air pollution showed relatively large amounts of healthy gray matter and a low incidence of white matter lesions, as compared to people who never exercised hard. White matter lesions are associated with higher risk of stroke, cognitive decline, and depression. However, those beneficial associations almost disappeared when exercisers lived in an area with even moderate air pollution. For people working out in more polluted areas, researchers found they had less gray matter and more white matter lesions than those in less pollution. And that was the case even if their workouts were similar. Experts say when exercising outdoors, stay away from busy highways and check the air quality index before heading outside.
Think your indoor air quality is better than out of doors? Think again. According to the EPA, the concentrations of certain air pollutants are sometimes 2 to 5 times as strong indoors as opposed to outdoors. That's why they recommend that you vacuum your carpets and your rugs every week or so, making sure that that cleaner has got a HEPA filter on it, and make sure that your AC air filters are cleaned regularly. Ursula Perry, KSAT 12 News.